This is the most difficult one so far. Is it working?
Hey y'all, welcome back to Shalom Meadows, the building that we're flipping into our house. Today, we're going to take this window out, and we're going to resize it and put a new window in.
This is the most difficult one so far.
I'm probably going to drop it.
No. Don't say those things.
Hey, yeah.
Don't let it fall. Careful. There you go. Whew.
I'm a little puny man this week. As you can tell, it's hot. Gosh.
When you said this is the hardest window?
Yes. Without a shove it out. We got one more to go, and then we're done with the windows.
In here.
In here. I mean, taking them out.
Yeah.
We got a few more we got to put in. But then that's it. Taking them out is way worse than putting them in. Coach, bring in the sixth man. Oh, you mean I got to go the whole 48 minutes? All right. Woo!
Is it working?
Nope.
When you bring out the saws.
When you bring out the sauce, hey, I need some sauce. A little extra oomph to get this thing off. Don't steal my rap song. Oh, my bad. Hey, y'all. I got that window out. It was 31 by 51. And now I'm about to resize it to put a 24 by 36 window in. Y'all seen how hard it was to get it out. Hopefully it's nowhere near as hard to, you know, reshape it and put it in. I mean, we've done reshaping and put windows in, but this is the first one of the living room that we are reshaping and putting a window in. We're going to be burnt. I know I am.
I say first.
I gotta cut a piece of wood. Perfect. Let's do that.
What? Gotcha. What do we do?
You got a whole 37 here.
I want you to go down just a tad.
So, almost 36.
Almost 36.
And that's almost 36.
There's another. Yeah,
So
it's a little higher.
A little higher.
When we were doing it was
Too much.
that one's not.
7 on the dot. 37 on the dot. You don't need more steel. I need more steel. Bent up. For a while though. What's wrong?
Turn it around. I said 2 notches before it.
Oh, what's the message before?
This way. That's how much you need to take off. Literally a slither of.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Because I got to put it right here.
You're a taker offer too mucher.
No.
See, you want to take more off?
See, look. That's right.
See, don't play me.
That's right. See,
Okay.
I told you. Is it in the right? No, it's not in the right spot.
You always want to make sure that you measure the top, the middle, oh lordy, and the bottom.
Oh, Lordy.
What to say?
I done
Way
made
off.
it wrong there. Get those windows.
Actually, I think we should do a rough drying and then cut the wood.
No, I'm putting it right here.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, the bad boy's about to fall.
No.
Now, we got the frame in. We're going to dry fit it and make sure that it fits. The windows are actually supposed to be like this. You know, the way you can open them, you know, like this. But we switched it up where we can try to fit it in like this. That way we could, you know, just be able to pull it up like a regular window.
Fits.
That's right.
It's a little
Here, go.
metal. All I'll have to do is here. Move over this side a little bit.
Just whenever you open it, you gotta be very careful because it
Here.
slides down really fast.
Yeah.
And it's turned sideways.
It needs to be moved over a little bit more. Metal.
Yeah.
You can put it on top of the metal.
That's what.
So good. It's perfect. It's perfect.
That much. No.
So we already dry fitted it. Okay, go down a little bit. There we go.
Good.
Wait, move it over just a little bit this way. Okay,
You get it?
I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it like
You
this.
That's how we do it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell. Shalom, y'all.